I'll guide you through how to create a Netflix account the easy way. If you're looking to start watching your favorite shows and movies, or you simply want to access Netflix's vast library of content, then you need to create a Netflix account. This tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The first step is to open a web browser on your computer or phone and go to netflix.com. You cannot start a new account directly from the app on your TV, so this step must be done on a browser. Once you're on the home page, enter your email address and click the Get Started button. Next, you will be prompted to create a password for your new account. After setting your password, the next step is to choose a membership plan that is right for you. Netflix offers several options with different features, like video quality and the number of screens you can watch on at the same time. Select the plan that best fits your needs, and then you'll be taken to the payment page. Here, you'll enter your payment details, such as a credit card or debit card, and confirm your subscription. By this, you have successfully created a Netflix account. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more streaming service video tutorials. Thanks for watching.